In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all answers in Google Forms 5 minutes. Before we start, a quick reminder, only use these techniques on forms you own or have explicit permission to analyze. Respecting privacy and terms of service is important. Begin by opening your browser and heading to Google Drive. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access the form you want. Once Drive loads, look toward the top right for the Google Apps grid, the little 9-dot icon. Click that to open the list of Google apps and then choose Forms. This takes you to the Google Forms home where your forms are listed. Select the form you want to inspect by clicking it to open the editor view. With the form open, right-click anywhere on the page background and choose Inspect. This opens your browser's developer tools. If you prefer shortcuts, you can also use the built-in inspect command from your browser's menu. The important thing is to open the developer tools panel so you can view the underlying page structure. In the developer tools, make sure you can comfortably read long lines of code. Enable line wrap so content doesn't run off the screen. You'll typically find this option in the panel's menu or settings, and turning it on makes long strings break onto new lines, which is much easier to read. Once line wrap is enabled, the Elements panel should display the HTML structure and embedded data in a more readable way. Now hover your mouse over different parts of the code in the Elements panel. As you move, the corresponding section on the form will highlight, helping you connect what's on the page with what you see in the code. This is useful for pinpointing the containers that hold your questions and their associated data. As you explore, you'll notice text values, often called string results, embedded in the code. These strings typically include question titles, option labels, and other human-readable text tied to the form. The line wrap you enabled makes these strings much easier to spot and understand, especially when they appear inside long data objects. That's the entire workflow. Open Drive, launch Forms, choose your form, inspect the page, turn on line wrap, hover to locate elements, and read the string results that surface the text you need. If anything looks cluttered, resize the panels or collapse sections to improve readability. Thanks for watching, and remember to use these insights responsibly.